Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mootechie. So after a long time, I have opened my Canva application and saw my presentation for uploading in an YouTube video. So I have noticed that in the left down corner, wait, it's loading. In left down corner here, and duration button will be there, and the play button will be here for editing it as video. But uh, I don't know what happened now. The duration button is not visible here. So that I have checked in internet that why Canva has removed that. So I have searched in web and gone to the Reddit website, and many say that they have an unfinished project and need the duration button. So I have searched in many options and I found the solution uh, for uh, for uh, For taking the duration button again, you must need to go to your settings. So that click the home tab and go to your profile in the down left corner and go to settings. In the settings, you go to your profile. After clicking that profile, just come down. And here you see an option called video editing. Use new multi-track video editing beta. You want to just turn it off to get that. Now go to your presentation. You just go to your go to the home and just open your any presentation. After that, your duration button will be here, and you can edit your videos. I have searched in many website and found this. So it will. I think it will be also helpful for you. So thanks, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.